Hello, Namaste, welcome to Turmeric Root Kitchen. Today I will show you how to do the grilled Hariyali Cornish and Nati Koli. This is very yummy and easy to make. Please watch my video until the end and please like, share and subscribe. All the ingredients in the description box. Here is I have some of the dry spices to roast. Black cumin, cloves, cardamom, bay leaf, cinnamon, black peppercorn and fenugreek seeds. Roast them before blend with other ingredients. Turmeric, garlic, ginger, lemon, green chilli, cilantro, mint, spinach, and this is for stuffing. Water for blanch the spinach. I'm going to blend all the ingredients with dry roasted spices. Chickpeas flour, salt, coconut oil, lemon juice. Water is boiling. Blanch the spinach for a minute. Add into the blender. Puree all of them. Divided for 2 batches. One is for later marinade. I have 2 Cornish hens washed with a paper towel. Take out all the excess water. Marinate very well. Keep it for 4 hours or 2 overnight for the better flavor. Stuffing for the chicken, I have some Mandarin oranges, cherry tomatoes and few mint leaves. Chicken is marinated for 4 hours. Turn on the oven 375 degree Fahrenheit. Have the sheet pan, tin foil and baking rag. Make sure a grill pan is hot. Grill the chicken both the sides. Transfer onto the baking sheet pan. Apply more sauce. Bake it in the oven for 1 hour 20 minutes. Chicken is ready. For more flavor, I'm going to add more sauce and bake them another 5 more minutes. Chicken is ready. Thank you for watching my video. See you another episode.